Ethereum has been one of the best performing altcoins in the last 7 days, rising by approximately 18% in the last 7 days against the US dollar and also rising substantially against Bitcoin. But do we still have time to long Ethereum, or we should be looking at shorting Ethereum in the near future? What are the different supports and resistances for the Ethereum USD level as well as for the Ethereum Bitcoin level, and what should be your strategy? Stay tuned to this video and find out what exactly are we doing currently.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link for that is given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. Also make sure you join our Telegram announcements channel where we keep you up to date from all the real world happenings. Now let's jump on to the Ethereum charts. So currently we are on the Ethereum USD 1 hour chart, and the first thing that we see is basically that we have been printing a rising wedge. Now a rising wedge by nature is a bearish pattern. We have been rising all the way down from about $1,980 to all the way up to about $2,226. So that's a substantial rise on the 1 hour chart. But in the course we have actually been printing a rising wedge. So if we tend to break down from the rising wedge, which happens more often than not, then our price target could be right at the bottom of the wedge where we started off from, and it could be at around $1,980 approximately. Now let's take a quick look on the moving averages and see where do we have the key support and the resistance levels on the 1 hour chart. So first of all, the major support for us would be the 20 period moving average, which is at around 2,150 level. That would act as a strong support. If we break below it, then probably the 50 period moving average, which is at around $2,050, will act as a support. But if we tend to break below it, then the next level of support would be the 200 period and the 100 period moving averages, which are at about 1950 level approximately. Do I see that happening right away? I believe the monthly closure for Bitcoin, which is scheduled in a couple of days time from now, that would play a major role in assuming where the altcoins move, and that includes Ethereum as well. So one of the major things that is coming up for Ethereum and why I am so positive about Ethereum is the London hard fork, which is scheduled in July. Those will have massive changes to the Ethereum network and how it works. So do let me know by commenting below if you'd like a detailed video about what are the changes that are expected in the London hard fork for Ethereum. Now coming back to the charts, if we plot the fib retracement, then we will be able to see the more support and resistances. So yeah, approximately as the moving averages were suggesting, that the key support is at the 20 period, which is at about 2,150, then approximately the same levels as we had discussed earlier. Now if we go to the 4 hourly time frame, let's move there and see what it is saying. So on the 4 hourly as well, as we can see, we have hit a resistance of around 2,250, which is the 161.8 Fibonacci level. As we had discussed in yesterday's video, that the 61.8 level is a very crucial support as well as resistance. If we are able to break above it, then probably we can look at around 2,574. But I am very bullish on Ethereum on the mid to long run. Till my targets are $10,000 for this complete market cycle for Ethereum, that remains intact. But historically, what we have been able to see is basically that the months starting from the second quarter, that is from April to about the fourth quarter, these are not so great for Ethereum historically speaking. If we plot the monthly chart, you will be able to see that. So yeah, basically here we are on the monthly chart, and as we can see, summertime basically is not a great time for Ethereum historically. In 2017 as well, it was an exception because from January we went up straight to about June, then we had a sideways movement for a couple of months, and again we pushed up as well. So basically, one of the key important things for Ethereum is the summertime. I believe if you want to trade Ethereum, then this could be a good time. But if you are looking to accumulate more and more Ethereum, I strongly believe that we might still have some good times to come to accumulate Ethereum, and I get a feeling that Ethereum might go down to about $1,000 or so. But that happens, that could be for a very little amount of time. Again, mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. You need to do your own research before investing. Now, one of the other important things that I'm seeing right here on the monthly chart is basically a double bottom pattern, right? This is very, very clear that we have a double bottom pattern. If this is the neckline, then probably what we are looking at for Ethereum is a target. So we'll measure the height of the bottom and we'll just place it on top of the breaking point. So we have actually hit that, right? So we have hit the target. The target was at around 2,189. So we have comfortably hit that target, and now we are coming back. Now, what am I expecting for Ethereum on the Bitcoin chart? Let's quickly see that. On the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, if you have been following our video, you would be knowing that we have been trading in this channel for quite some time, right? When we go up, we hit this resistance, we tend to short Ethereum. When we come down, we long Ethereum, right? That we have been doing for quite some time. But now, during this parabolic move, right from March to about May, we broke above this key resistance, and now this line is actually acting as a great support for Ethereum against Bitcoin. Now, it is important for us to hold this line as a support, because if we tend to break below it, and if a body of a candle closes below this line, then probably we can see a testing of the bottom layer of this rising passage probably, right? So this is on the weekly chart, so there are chances of very, very less false signals. Now, if we go to the daily chart on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we can see that we have printed a sort of a double top pattern right here. Okay, we printed a double top and we are right on the neckline, right? So if we tend to break below this, then what could be our price target? Let's quickly measure that. Then our price target could very well be below this passage bottom line, which is currently at about 27,850 satoshis. So yeah, if we get a weekly closure below this line, then probably we might look at these levels. And if you want to short Ethereum against the Bitcoin, that could be a good opportunity to do so. But overall, in the long run, I am still very, very confident of Ethereum. I believe this is a cool off period that we are in currently. And if I just pull out the moving averages, then also you'll be able to see that we are still very, very bullish, right? So we are treating the 100-day moving average as a key level of support, and currently the 20-day is acting as a resistance. But if we tend to break above it, probably then we might see Ethereum again gaining good grounds against Bitcoin. Now, for me personally, I had converted the trading part of my portfolio, the trading part of my Ethereum portfolio into Bitcoin when it was close to about 0.73, and our premium members had actually followed that as well. So if you want to be a part of a premium channel and get all the real-time updates as to what I am doing and what I feel, then you should ping me on Telegram. My Telegram is given in the pinned comments as well. If we just pull out the favorite retracement, then we can also see that the levels of about 0.061 will act as a strong support, and if we tend to break below it, that could prove to be a resistance. But currently I believe the 100-day moving average will act as a strong support. If we tend to break below it, then the 200-day, and of course the 161.8%, which is at 0.04, will be the next level of supports for Ethereum against Bitcoin if we tend to break below it. Stay subscribe to our channel, because we will keep you up to date from all the real world happenings, and also join our Telegram channel where you can discuss about your portfolio, about any coins that you are holding, or what should be your strategy. Either me or someone from the community will definitely answer your questions. Also, make sure you join us on Twitter. That is where we keep you up to date from the happenings from the world of cryptocurrencies. Now, summing up today's video, what I feel for Ethereum is Ethereum against Bitcoin, I see a double top pattern. Probably we can hold this 100-day moving average. If we tend to break it, then the next level of support is the 200-day moving average. If I have to talk about Ethereum against the US dollar, it's pretty bullish, but yeah, I believe that the monthly closure for Bitcoin would be very important, and you need to keep yourself up to date from the real world happenings on the world of Bitcoin, because that closure will actually determine the fate of the other cryptocurrencies, other altcoins as well. And very soon we will be making a video on a very important pattern that we have realized on the Bitcoin chat, and that video would be coming out in about a day's time, probably tomorrow. So you make sure you subscribe to our channel. So that's pretty much it about this video from the Ethereum updates. Personally speaking, I am not longing Bitcoin, neither are our premium members. You need to do your own research before investing. I'm not a financial advisor. So stay tuned to our channel, stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Share this video with your friends and family. Give them the opportunity to change their lives with cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrencies have the power to change your life for the good. And if you trade smartly, if you follow our channel closely, I strongly believe that it will have the power to change your lives. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.